Okay, just a few tips I use often. Thought you would enjoy. Erasers.
Oh, fun!
Erasers from the dollar store into 1/4 inch. I make these for my granddaughter so they can slide pins through the quilt sandwich right into the eraser, making the quilt easy to transport. Also, older quilters with less dexterity like these. I use,
Smart.
I use less Band-Aids. That's pretty funny.
Less Band-Aids.
That's
These
smart
are
idea.
scented erasers. Clever.
Yes.
Super smart.
Masks, I use paracord, but found the easy way is to just pull the white threads out, left with a much softer tube. Oh, with the paracord. So when you have paracord, instead of using the neon
we
part,
learned that the hard way.
Yeah, pull the white out and use just the white part.
Pull that out. And then this, super, super soft. And just take your little match and you can burn that end.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Smart.
And for the mask nose
Look at her.
piece, she uses floral wire for her nose pieces.
Floral wire. So that is this. The floral wire. And that is soft. I'm going to open this up. She has a piece. Wow, she's like... I'm sorry, you would probably just barely... I'm sorry, I want to get this out of you. Oh, yeah, look at that. How did you get that in that bag? I really need to find my glasses.
Oh, the flower thing.
I'm not sure. I think they're in my notions box.
No.
Oh, they were on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, so... See, there is a little wire in
and
them.
she gets that at the dollar store also.
Yeah, and they're soft, so that would be nice. Well, that part's not nice, but...
And you could also make it so if you want to take out your
totally
stuff and
sticks.
then wash it, you can pull it right out.
Yeah. Flexible type. Were you able to get that before I rudely dropped that?
All right. Bobbins. Clear plastic tube at the hardware store. Cut the width of the bobbins. Keep threads contained.
What?
That's smart. Yeah. Then she just
We'll
cuts it.
have to, like, cut this part out just for a fun little few-minute Instagram post so that they can...
And then, yeah, so she takes the tube, and then she cuts the tube in half, and then it clips her bobbin.
Smart.
Oh, brilliant.
Can you see that? Am I holding it right? So you can see that. And then see it sticks around her bobbin.
That's pretty cool.
That is clever. That's really smart.
Love it. All right, the straps. I watch you cut off all those nylon straps from boxes. I use them as handles on bags, especially heavy canvas covered decorative. Sew right through them, very strong. Don't sew through the glued section, but it sews really nice. That's so smart.
Does.
I didn't even
Feel this. Okay, so I'm going to hold them all up here.
So these two rubbers?
Yeah, so feel how strong that is.
And
so she did it nice and tidy. Yeah. Sewed right through there. Look at that. And you can see. Can you see there? And look what she did here. Here she just did multiple layers so that you could see.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. So she's sewed through 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of, this is flannel. 4 layers of flannel through that. And look at that.
That's a really, really good idea.
That is super
So it's for all
smart.
those like reusable bags for you take to the grocery store, but your handles never are quite strong enough.
We can just start saving the strapping. Why don't we just save it and kind of bundle it up and just, you know, as people ask for it. Because how much strapping do we get
Enough for a couple
in
people.
a week?
Like today we have 4 boxes with it on it. That's cool. Then she says, enjoy watching your show so much.
Aww.
Lost my daughter, but trying her little ones to sew. Love the laughter between the both of you. I imagine it would be us.
Oh, thank you so much. That is really nice. Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.